How would I describe ESMT Berlin? I would describe it as a place for growth and self-actualization for those that are looking for the diversity of ideas, impact, all while living in a place that is cosmopolitan and supports this journey. And Berlin is the perfect place to be for that. Being considered the startup capital of Europe, I would describe Berlin as a melting pot of ideas, cultures, culinary experiences, nightlife, Christmas markets, riverbeds, bike lanes, parks, with history literally around every corner. And given our unique location in what is called Mitte, the center of Berlin, right here on Museums Island, ESMT sits right at the heart of it. Choosing a master's degree can be considered one of the important decisions in someone's career. So I always recommend students and candidates to look at least 3 to 4 schools to make an informed decision. What we have done here at ESMT Berlin with all our 3 master programs is to position them at the intersection of 5 critical areas. Number 1, academic excellence, given our world-class faculty and how they bring the most relevant research and teaching methods into the classroom. Number 2, practice, because of the practical components, including internships or the consulting and social impact projects that every master student is required to complete. Number 3, skills development, due to the more than 15 skills seminars like cross-cultural management or public speaking that students can choose from. And talking about choosing, number 4, customization. As more than 50% of any of our master programs is customizable, including, for example, the elective period that allows students to take electives from each of the 3 master programs or choose, for example, an international exchange instead. And last but not least, careers development, from the first day that students embark on the ESMT experience. So we believe that this recipe, or this balance, so to speak, allows our students to develop these important competencies that our founding companies have coined to be global and cultural awareness, creativity, communication and collaboration, critical and interdisciplinary thinking, which are all required to have an impact in today's ever-changing societies, marketplaces, and business environments. The master's program differ based on the specific focus they have when it comes to the expertise they develop and the sort of students they're looking for. The Master in Global Management is for those that are looking to understand business as a whole and as such are attracted by jobs in the global consulting industry or strategy and finance, for example. The Master in Innovation and Entrepreneurship, on the other hand, truly focuses on the question of how one can turn an idea from something intangible into something tangible, from a startup point of view, an investor point of view, or also from a corporate innovation angle. Bali ESMT's Entrepreneurship Hub will connect you with the people that you need to meet on that journey. Last but not least, the Master in Analytics and Artificial Intelligence uniquely positions its graduates as analytics leaders that can strike the balance between supporting managers to ask the right questions and data scientists to adjust their models and use of AI accordingly. Now, to understand which of the 3 master programs might be the right fit for you, or if ESMT in general is one of the right doors to knock on, I would say let's just have a conversation so that we can figure out together what journey we might be able to take. And like Berlin, ESMT will always welcome you with open arms, so we're looking forward to hearing from you.